So as I sit here in my living room working with a broken leg, I had to figure out every day how to be more efficient because I'm sitting here in my easy chair. So for years, when I had to swap two cells in Excel, I would copy cell number 1 into a temporary location. Then I would copy like this. I'd drag it up, and then I'd move cell number 2 into cell number 1, and cell number 1 into cell number 2. But that's very inefficient, turns out. So I learned this trick today, and I thought I'd share with everybody else. So select the cell that you want. Press the Shift key, and put your mouse in the corner of the first cell. Drag it over until you see the little symbol on the second cell looks like a capital I, and voila, they are swapped. I hope this saves you as much time as it saves me. Again, select, Shift key, move your mouse there, drag it over, and you see that symbol, and let it go, and they're swapped. I hope this saves you time. It's saving me time every single day.